Yo, we back with another video. And today we have a video on the ship out of the Air Jordan 7 and 6 Golden Pack. Now let's get into the video. So lately I've been hearing a lot of people really never seen the whole pack of these. So I'll show it to y'all before we actually even get it shipped out. So the first pair that we're going to start off with are the 6s. Now, I already did a video on these, but I mean, it never hurts to get another one. These are hand down one of the best colorways they put on 6s. White and gold, come on now. I'm like, yeah, okay, so I'm gonna take these to the back and I'm gonna get it plastic wrap. But I was like, let me just go ahead and grab the other ones also.
We can barely get out.
Okay, now on to the 7s. I'm not a 7s fan. I don't know, I really can't rock these. These ain't my type. But they still fire, don't get me wrong. Okay, so now since y'all seen what they look like, I'm gonna go ahead and take them to my little station to get these plastic wrapped, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so this is the most important step. You always gotta wrinkle every paper up before you even put the shoe in it. This will save a lot of hassle at the end, so you won't have to worry about the shoe not looking crisp. Okay, so I'm gonna do this in steps so you understand. So first step, you put it in and you wanna close the first seal, okay? So it's gonna make a little sound when it's done and you just peel it off from the back. But the major step is to peel it off. So when it's closed, you want to peel it. Because if you don't, it won't come out right and it's going to look all funny. Boom. Okay, so that's 2 already done. I think there's 4 to do. So we got peel number 3 right here. And the last one will be hidden is at the toe box. Okay, boom. That's 1 down, 3 more to go. I know it's looking funny right now, but later in the video, I'll clean it up and show you how that's done also. Now let me get the rest of these done and I will be back with y'all in a minute. And now that we got the 7s done, we're just gonna move to the 6s. And once again, do not forget to peel. And now since we got the last one done, we're gonna go ahead and take these back outside. So here comes the part everybody was waiting for. Now, how do you get them so perfect? The hair dryer. The hair dryer is how I get it so perfect. So now when you're doing this, you just got to be careful because if you do it too hot or too much in one area, it'll just make a hole in it. So I'm going to let you listen to the ASMR on these and then we'll be back at the end.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now, since we got the 1 done, we got 3 more to go. So I'm gonna finish these up and I'll catch y'all in a minute. And with that being said, we're gonna move on to the 6s. And after that, we're gonna get these in a box to get them shipped out. Yup, we got it. So now they going in their original box, and from there we really finna get it shipped. First shoe we gonna put in the box is the 7s. Following that, we gonna put the 7s on the top. And now it's time to find the right size box, which got me right here because this wasn't even the right size. Look at the top of it. So now I'm really mad because I don't even think I got a size that would fit this. So now I gotta go back to the drawing board. Then luckily I found a 17 by I think 15 sitting in the back. I was like, thank you, because I did not want to go to the store to just go get one box. And finally we gonna add some bubble wrap to secure the box and some business cards. And now they're getting shipped out. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more like it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.